Guys, look what I have today with me. I have 5 out of my 8 cars. I'm gonna speed run test them. I'm gonna use 3S batteries only, stock tires, and some other variant. For example, I have the ProLines Badlands for the GROMs, for both the Typhon and the Granite. I have the Typhon TLR stock tires and some cheapo Amazon off-road tires. And I have the Omni Terminator right here, stock tires, some street tires as well, and I just got this Senton. Well, actually that was 2 days ago, and I put a sensor system, Max 10, Hobby Wing Max 10 system. Alright, so we're gonna speed run them, and I'm not looking for any speed record or anything like that. I just want to see how fast they can go. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I have them all. So we have the Senton, we have the Omni Terminator. I don't have any other tires than the stock ones because I just got it, okay? So we have the Arrma Terminator, we have the Typhon 223S, but now it's a 4S system. We have the Granite GROM, and we have the Typhon GROM, okay? All of them are gonna be run on 3S, except this one, which is gonna be run on 4S, alright? Alright guys, we're gonna start with the Typhon GROM with stock wheels. I also forgot to tell you that none of those cars over there are stock. Every single one of those cars have any type of upgrade, especially on the ESC and the motor department. Alright, so this is really hard to control, but we'll do our best. We're gonna do 3 passes with each car, and then we'll see how fast they can go. Alright. Here we go. All right. That's one. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. That's one. Jesus, man, it's so hard to control. Alright, we're gonna see how fast we went. Alright, stop. Read. 46 miles per hour. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Alright, we're gonna do those tires over there are the ProLine Badlands. Alright. Alright guys, Typhon GROM 3S ProLine Badlands. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's 2. Full throttle. Ooh, look at it go. Alright, we'll see. Man, I keep having these steering issues. So annoying. Stop. Read. 47 miles per hour. ProLine Badlands, just 1 mile faster than stock tires. Alright guys, next up, Granite GROM. Well, look at this. Oh my God. Oh Jesus, man, I love this. Oop. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, something happened to the steering. Jesus, man. I'm still trying to narrow down if it's the servo or steering link or the steering arms. I don't know. I still don't know. Alright. Okay, we're gonna start with the first one. Alright, here we go. Granite GROM 3S. Stock tires. Ooh! Oh, man, I knew it. Oh. Okay, here he goes. It's coming back. Okay, second run. Full throttle. Oh! Ooh! Oh, my God, that was bad. That was bad. Okay. Third run. Full throttle. Alright, stop. Oh. Okay. Last run. Full throttle. Ooh! That thing was flying, man. It was flying. Jesus. Man, I love this truck. So fun to drive. Alright. How fast did you go, Mr. Granite? Stop. Read. 56. Get out of here. 56 miles per hour. I can't believe it. Oh my God. That is really fast. Okay. Next tires to be tested are gonna be the Proline Badlands for the Granite GROM. Okay, let's see. Alright. Granite GROM. Proline Badlands. Jesus, man. Really so easily. Alright. Let me see if it's tracking good. No. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Whew. Granite GROM. Badlands. Proline Badlands. Here we go. Full throttle. Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God. Man, that thing should be broken, man. That has to be broken. Oh my God. I think I went full throttle too soon. Yeah, I think it was probably that. Yeah, that has to be broken. Okay. Okay, here we go. Full throttle. Ooh, okay. Okay, here we go. Full throttle. Oh my God, it wheelies. On full throttle, this thing wheelies. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's upside down. Jesus, man. Unbelievable. And the tires were ballooning so freaking much, man. I think that's the reason why it went like crazy and it wheeled. It wheeled. Oh my God. Guys, I've seen horror stories about these tires right here. The Proline Badlands. But come on, man. Come on, Proline. Really? Really, Proline? No, man, no. Come on, man. Alright, let's see how fast it went. Stop, read. 48 miles per hour. Nowhere close the speed I reached with the stall wheels. Really? Alright guys, we're moving on to the Omni Terminator. Alright. Here we go. Omni Terminator stock wheels. Full throttle. That was kind of slow. Okay, here we go again. Full throttle. Alright, one last time. Alright, let's go. Stop, read, 42 miles per hour. Well, not bad, but I was expecting a little bit more than that. We're gonna do street tires now. Right, guys, Omni Terminator street tires. Completely racing tires. They don't have any tread at all. Alright, here we go. Let me change sides. Okay, here we go. Full throttle. Okay, that's one. Okay, second one. Full throttle. Okay, here comes the last one. Full throttle. Nice, alright. Let's check. Stop, read, 42 miles per hour, exactly the same speed, 42 miles per hour. Right, guys, we're getting serious now. We're gonna go with the Senton. I'm gonna go with the Senton because that one is the fastest one. So I'm gonna do the Senton. I don't have any other wheels, but the stock ones, because remember I just got this like 2 days ago. So the Senton it is. So this is my very first time driving this thing. Oh my, oh Jesus, man, what's wrong with you? Okay, it's really smooth because the system that I have on this one is censored. So I guess it's a tracking issue. Okay, let me see. Just a little bit. Okay. It's really smooth. Look at the suspension, guys. Oh Jesus, man, I love this. Beautiful, beautiful. Woo. Oh my God. It's a really beautiful truck, man. All right, let's do this, guys. All right, here we go. Senton 3S, go. Full throttle. Ooh, man, that was hard. That was hard hit, man. Okay, I guess it's parachuting because it was going to the side. I don't know. Okay, one more time. Full throttle. Yeah, it's going to the side. That's weird. Okay, one more time. Okay, let's go. Smooth and easy, smooth and easy. Yeah, it's going to the side. I think it's parachuting really bad. Okay, one more time. Let's go. Yeah, Look like it's floating. Oof. Alright, here we go. Man, what the heck? Alright, what if I do this? Yeah, it spins out of control. Okay, one last time. I'm gonna try to feather the throttle as much as I can. Alright, one last time, guys. Okay, here we go. Last run. Full throttle. Oh, it goes to the side really bad. Okay. Full throttle. There it is, there it is, there it is. Ooh! Come on, man. Oh, Jesus. Can't get enough of this. Okay, stop. Read. 47. There you go. It's 47. I need to check if it's overheated or it's just a battery that it's dead. All right. Okay, guys. Finally, we have the Typhon 4S. So I don't have the stock not the batteries, the stock tires, because I wrote them down. So I have the Typhon 6S and TLR, in fact, to D-Boots Exabyte. They're good. I mean, they're not the best, but they're good. And I have some cheapo off-road tires from Amazon. So we'll see how it does. So on this puppy, I'm expecting about what, 55? I don't know, 55 to 56. So let's see. Okay, guys, here we go. This is the Typhon 4S. Well, 223S, now it's a 4S system, because I sometimes go to a track that's near my house. It's called Mills Pond Raceway. So I'm not looking to become a racer or anything. I just wanted to feel the sensation of being on an RC track. Alright, by the way, I was wrong when I said that these tires come on the Typhon 6S. They actually come on the TLR Typhon. On the 6S, it's the D-Boots Qatar. But these ones are the Exabyte. And by the way, some of you might know that I'm putting together a Typhon TLR. So these are the tires for that one. Okay, ooh. Oh my. Alright, I'm gonna guess this one will do about 52? I would say 52. Between 50 and 53. 50 and 53, I would say. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness. Jesus, man. This thing flies. Alright, that's one. Okay, full throttle. Oh my god. Okay, that's the second run. Okay, here comes the last one. Full throttle. Jesus. Okay. Let's see how I did. Alright. Between 50 and 53, I'd say it. Okay, stop. Read. 54. Okay, that's not too bad at all. 54. Okay, so that was Typhon 4S. I'm gonna do the cheapo Amazon tires. They're like, I don't know, 25, 30%. I don't know, but they're good. They're pretty good. I'm surprised. All right. Alright, guys, this is gonna be the last test of the day. I have my Typhon right here with the cheapo Amazon tires, but again, they're good. They're decent. Alright. Okay, here we go. Full throttle. Nice. Okay. Man, I love this buggy. Okay, here we go again. Full throttle. Straight as an arrow. Jesus, man, that thing flies. I'm gonna go with 58 this time. 58. Okay, one last time. Full throttle. Okay. 58. I'll go with 58 this time. One last time, one last time. Damn, man, I love you, Typhon. Alright, I'm gonna go with 58 now. Stop. Read. What? 55? I thought it was gonna go faster. I thought I saw it going faster. But well, 55 is not bad, but I was expecting more because I did 56 with the stock tires. I mean the TLR tires. And these are a little bit bigger. But okay, I'm gonna take 55. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, so I guess this concludes today's video. So I speedrun the Typhon, the Granite. My god, what a disaster that Granite was. The Typhon 4S, the Omni Terminator, and finally the Senton. So the fastest one of the day, surprisingly, was the Granite, 56 miles per hour. Jesus, I never imagined I would hit those speeds with this truck. And the slowest one, but that's fine, was the Omni Terminator. I guess it was 42, 43, I can't recall very well. But that's fine, I don't have these cars to reach like crazy speeds, and I'm looking to get 100 miles per hour like some of the people try to. I'm just, try to have a good time. I'm gonna see if I can go to a park, because look what I got, guys. Look what I got with me. I got myself the Proline Rams right here, and they're specially made for the small ones. The Granite GROM, the Typhon GROM. These will never jump one of those, it's way too big. Maybe the Omni Terminator, I don't know, maybe the Senton, not sure. But well, I'll see if I have enough time to go and use those Proline tires. Not tires, the Rams. Alright guys, this has been everything for now, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.